Okay, everybody, we're continuing our discussion about meandering or turning streams. So we really need to take a look at this diagram over here, going from a young stream to an old age stream, going through stream maturity. You'll notice the young stream is going down the hill. It hasn't really flattened out much yet. It goes nice and straight. I like to think of it like a young driver. When you first get your license, you got two hands on the wheel, you're driving nice and straight. As opposed to an old person driving, they swerve all over the road, they get crazy, you get this path like this. That's what an old age stream does too. Floodplains. When a river floods, it overgoes its banks, and you get water flooded out through the whole area around the stream. So you'll notice there's only the stream in this little thin part of this picture here, but there's this big flat area around it. That would be known as the floodplain of this stream. Whenever this stream floods, you get water all through here. Other things to know about streams. Easy one, always keep in your mind, streams always carve V-shaped valleys. We like to say rivers carve V-shaped valleys. So what carved this V right here? This river, or this one right here carving this V. Common regions question you'll see, anytime you see this, you see a V-shaped valley, well, that was definitely carved by a river. Other things we talk about. Deposition, when we put down sediments. It happens when a stream loses velocity, okay? That stream's not going as fast, it can't carry as much anymore. How might a stream lose velocity? Stream hits a body of water, stream loses flow, or the stream meanders, deposition occurring at the blank, you guys know, of the curve. Sediments deposited by streams are sorted in size. I'll give you an example over here with my friend Gabby. She's going to talk about how sediments get sorted by rivers. So we're going to pretend Gabby is a river. Okay, here's the analogy. You're going to be Gabby the person and Gabby the river at the same time. Cool? Okay. Gabby the person woke up in the morning and I gave her 5 Red Bulls. She's got tons of energy. Yeah, you're ready to go. Okay? Now, just like a young stream that's carving fast, it's flowing fast, it's going straight. Gabby the person, I'm going to hand you a paper clip to carry, a brick to carry, and a refrigerator to carry.
Oh.
But you could do it, you drank all that Red Bull, you're good to
Okay.
go. Alright? Just like a stream that's moving really fast can carry boulders, pebbles, cobbles, all that stuff. You start moving along, you go through your day, you get a little bit more tired, come on stream. Okay. You're starting to get tired, you're starting to lose energy, just like a stream loses flow. What do you drop first? What? You're not gonna drop, you're gonna keep carrying the fridge?
Oh, no, I'm going to drop the fridge.
Yeah, she's going to drop out the fridge. She doesn't want to carry the big stuff, the boulders anymore. Goes along a little further. What are you going to drop now?
I'm going to drop the brick.
Yeah, you're going to drop the brick, the medium-sized stuff. Just like a stream's going to drop out the medium-sized stuff. Goes along a little further. What are you dropping now?
I'm dropping that paper clip.
Yeah, you got no energy left. You're barely moving anymore at the end of the day. You got to drop that paper clip. So just like Gabby sorted out the things she dropped, Stan, to really big stuff, medium-sized stuff, little stuff. Well, a stream moving along, moving really fast, it slows a little bit, drops out the biggest particles. Moves a little bit more, drops out medium-sized particles. Moves even more, drops out the small-sized particles. Let's go back up to the board. So here's what we got. Stream right here. It hits the ocean. As soon as it's moving fast, it hits the ocean, drops out the biggest stuff. Drops out the medium stuff, the boulders. Then we get to the cobbles. Then it drops the smallest stuff when it's really, really, really slowed down. So you can see, by this stream hitting the ocean, we sort out our sediments by size. Other common thing for rivers is its sediments will be sorted by size. Give me one last flip.
Oh, is that why, like, at the beach, it's like the bigger rocks are front?
Kind of.
Oh.
Occasionally you'll get vertical sorting like this. When a river floods, it moves really fast. You drop the big stuff, the medium stuff, and then the little stuff. And then it hardens into a rock, and then it floods again. You drop big, medium, little, so you can see these beds like this. It's like a history record of how many times that river is flooded, and each time it floods, it drops big, medium, and little stuff. So this river is flooded 4 times. 2 important things to remember. Streams form V-shaped valleys, rivers form V-shaped valleys, streams deposit sorted sediments. You know everything you need to know about stream erosion if you can remember those 2 things.